Hello friend, namaste. मेरा नाम अंकुर है and today I will talk a very little on the yoga and since I am practicing yoga I just thought of sharing a little definitions and then how we get the benefit from the yoga. So according to the Patanjali Yoga Sutra there is a definitions which says like yoga is chitti vritti nirodha. So what is chitti? Chitti is the your mind commonly known, but there is other aspects which we say like it includes the mind, it includes the intellect, it includes the ego, and the fourth one is that impressions from your previous experience. Vritti is the modulation. So chitta, mind, vritti is the modulation, and the nirodha is restraining. So the full definition is stopping the modulations or restraining the modulation of the mind is yoga. And how you achieve those control or modulation is like by following certain practice of yoga, which is not just the body postures. Body posture is one name, but there is other things like yama, niyama, as well as that there is a breathing exercise which is very vital aspect of it, and then senses, how you control the senses, also part of the yoga. Next definition, which is from the Bhagavad Gita, the Lord Krishna said to Arjuna that skill in action, like yoga karmesu kaushalam. So skill in action is also yoga. So most of the time what you see, like if you are in physically present at this moment, your mind travel all over the place, right? And at that moment you are not able to enjoy that place, neither you can enjoy the future or wherever your mind is in past or future. Okay, but the practice of yoga, it try to bring a harmony between your body and mind, and then when body and mind are in one place, then you will see that you are more skillful in your activity, whatever you are performing. So like there are many benefits of the yoga, but commonly it is known as like it increase your flexibility, it gives the strength to your muscles and then all the internal organs, as well as increase the prana, like how you feel more energetic, and then how you, after that you become little more calm and then more inward focus. We will talk more on the yoga in coming days, and also will try to learn a simple yoga postures which will help you to achieve all these three or more benefit. Thank you everyone, and we'll meet you next time.